What's up guys, it's Kelly and today we are back on my floor in front of all of my nail polish drawers because today we're going to be doing something relatively exciting. So I did a video actually over a year ago of me organizing all of my nail polishes. Basically what I like to do is I like to keep them by brand but in rainbow order, and I did that when I lived back in my old apartment, and since I have moved to this apartment, which was over a year ago, I have actually never organized my polishes. So all of them are in these drawers behind me. They are in disarray, they're looking terrible. It's getting to be a little difficult because my collection has grown a lot. I'm having trouble finding the colors that I'm trying to find for different nail art looks and stuff like that, and I figured it's time to organize. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me and we could organize them together. So I am planning on showing you guys a full tour of my whole nail polish area, so I'm going to show you guys all of that, but the gist of it is I have 24 of these drawers. I don't know if you can see it, but each drawer is full of nail polish. So I do have all of these drawers full of nail polish with the exception of two. One is just cotton balls, one is skincare products. So we have a lot to organize today. It's gonna probably take me a really long time, and it's gonna be in rainbow order, which I like. But just another quick disclaimer, I don't do it in exact rainbow order. Like, I'm not doing Roy G. Biv here. I do it in the way that makes the most sense with the flow of the nail polish. Don't be upset if it's not totally 100% perfect rainbow order. We're just gonna go in like a nice color wheel kind of order situation. So yeah, let's get started. This is gonna take so long.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Alright, so it has been, oh my gosh, 2 hours and I've only done 2 brands so far. However, I think those are the ones that I have the most of in these drawers, so the rest of them hopefully will go by quickly. Oh my gosh, I knew this was going to take forever, but it seems like it's taking even longer than I anticipated, so let's see how this goes.
I wanna run away, mistakes now. Cause I don't wanna stay. Wanna live my own life. Wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down. Wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this. So don't be too offended. I have to leave. There's nothing in for me, no. I'm not fitting in. I've packed my things to go. Am I being naive? But it's my choice to make. It's my new rebellious way. Choice to make, it's my new rebellious way.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end.
Okay, so if you guys have stuck around this long, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. We are pretty much mostly done. We just have this one row left of these drawers, but I did want to just hop on here really quick and let you guys know that I do have most of these pretty much organized. It would be, this is like my China Glaze is the most drawers, and then we have a few other things. I did recently organize those, but then I messed up the order anyway, so it's not going to be as crazy. It's just going to be taking a few polishes and putting them back like where they belong, but I'm still going to lay them out just because it gets to be a little too much when you have to like reorganize all of them. So yeah, we're almost there, guys. We almost did it.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stayed too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like
Okay, so I actually had one more drawer, which like I said is mostly organized because I had done it on Instagram Live, but my camera died right as I was doing it. So you did miss that last drawer. It's just like a bunch of random brands that I only have a few of. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed organizing with me. This took forever. It was like around 5 hours, but it was totally worth it because I have really been meaning to do this for so long. Now that everything is organized, I can do a little tour of my entire collection for you guys. So that should be coming soon as well. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Always lets me know I'm doing a good job. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. That is it, so I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Well, I guess I could say fun fact, I actually don't do a fun fact in every single video. I only do it in videos that are like reviews or like videos with my face in it that like are talking about products. So like I wouldn't do it for a makeup tutorial and I wouldn't do it for a nail art tutorial. It's just like if I'm sitting in front of my desk and I'm talking about a brand or product or like tips for something, that's the only time I do fun facts. So yeah, that's a fun fact. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.